Once Buddha was visiting a small village. The village man came to know about his visit and they started to visit him in huge numbers, seeking advice for their problems. One day, a group of people brought a blind man to Buddha and said, "He is our friend, but unfortunately blind from birth. We had an argument about existence of light. We could not convince him about existence of light. His arguments are such that we are at loss. Even though we know that there is light, we have to admit defeat. He tells us that he wants to touch light. How can we make it possible for him to touch light?" Just then the blind man said, "Okay, if I cannot touch it, I have ears, let me hear it. Or even if it is not possible, let me taste it or smell it." He sacked out friends. There is no way to convince him, and also complained that villagers deliberately talked about light and color to make him feel that he is blind. Otherwise, he knew that world is like that only. They asked Buddha if he could make him understand about it. Buddha replied, "I am not going to try to convince him. Mankind problems have been created by people who try to explain things to those who cannot see. I won't make that mistake. I will not explain to a blind man that there is light. You have brought him to wrong person." Friend still insisted to Buddha. Buddha replied, "There is no need to bring him to me. Take him to instead a physician who can treat his eyes. He does not need teaching, he needs treatment. This is not question of explanations or of him believing things you tell. If his eyes get cured, there will be no need for you to explain. He himself will be able to see and know light." Friend understood what Buddha said and took blind man to a physician for treatment. Fortunately, he was cured after a few months. By that time, Buddha had already left that village. Blind man followed him and bowed to Buddha and said, "I was wrong. There is light, but I couldn't see before. Therefore, I didn't believe anything about light." Buddha answered, "You were certainly wrong, but your eyes got cured because you refused to accept or believe what others told you, unless you experience it for yourself. If you had accepted what your friends had told, then matter would have ended there, and no questions of treatment for your eyes would have arisen." Moral of the story: one should search his own understanding because one cannot attain anything by worshipping the insight of another. Search of someone's own understanding can only begin when one drops idea of other. Thank you. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel.